Hi, this topical talk's gonna show you how to change Twitch account password. To improve your Twitch account security, you can change your Twitch account password. You can use a strong password to protect your Twitch account. Now, I will show you the process to change password. First of all, open Twitch and make sure to sign into your Twitch account. And now, click on your profile photo at the top right and click on your profile photo. And you will jump into your Twitch profile settings page. Here, select Security and Privacy and scroll down. Under Security section, you will get your password option. Now, to change or update your current password, click on Change Password. And now, in order to change or update your Twitch password, you have to enter here your Twitch account current password. Once done, in this new password box, write a new password for your account, and in this confirm password box, retype the new password, and here must use a strong password. And now click on Next. Changing your password will log you out of Twitch everywhere you are currently logged in, except this current session. This will invalidate your stream key and also revoke access from the following third-party services. The following connections will be removed from your account. You can check any connections you want to keep. If you want to keep all of your connections, then click on Check All and click on Change Password. And that's it. Here we can see my Twitch account password has been successfully changed. So this is how we can actually change our Twitch password. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.